In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up AT&T Internet Air. First, you open your smartphone camera and scan the QR code on the Internet Air box on the base of your Wi-Fi hub. Tap the notifications that appears and follow the link to your App Store. Download the AT&T Smart Home Manager app. You can also visit att.com/HM directly from your phone's browser. Now open the Smart Home Manager app, and if you've already registered your AT&T Internet Air service, tap Sign in to your AT&T credentials. If this is your first time, tap Setup Equipment and scan the QR code on the bottom of your Wi-Fi hub. Plug in your Wi-Fi hub, and in the app, follow the on-screen prompts to test signal strength. Move your hub to a different spot if needed. The Wi-Fi hub display will guide you through the best placement. For stronger performance, place it near a window facing your closet at the closest AT&T signal tower. In the app, tap Help me find this direction to locate it. On the Let's Begin Your Setup screen in the app, select Get Started. The app will guide you through the activation process. Just once the activation is complete, your Wi-Fi hub will connect to AT&T Internet Air. In the Smart Home Manager app, look for your Wi-Fi network name and password, and on your phone, computer, or smart devices, select this Wi-Fi network and enter the password. You can update your Wi-Fi name and password anytime through the app. Use the Smart Home Manager app to test signal quality and adjust hub placement if speeds are low. The app also provides troubleshooting tips if your connection is weak. And that's it, your AT&T Internet Air is now active and your device should be connected to Wi-Fi.